Hi all, Emmanuel here. Just wanted to show how to open the template of main roads drawing. Go to the layout tab, right click on it and click the from template. So it opens the main roads template. Keep the default name as layout 1 and press OK. Now we get the dimensions of main roads template, but it won't come with the borders and the labels. Now go to the command window and type in TMR space and you'll get the TMR tools. In the TMR tools, go to plan sheets, and select the traffic A1. Double click on it and it will ask on which template you want the borders and labels to be opened. So select layout 1 and press OK. Did we get anything? Okay, one more time. Traffic, and that's the one, I think. There you go. So you got all the labels and the sign section and everything popped in.